Yo, what is up, Bloody Cakes? Super Greatest here. I hope everyone is doing good. If you already know the box, this is a Jordan 11 7210 low. So not everyone loves this shoe for some reason because it's a low top. I got this pair from a seller in fbmarketplace. He was selling his pair for just retails. I immediately contacted him. Shout out to Roddy Joshua Inigo Ochoco. So thank you so much for this pair, bro. I really appreciate it. Alright, so anyway, before we unbox this, to those who are legit checking their pairs, for the box itself, I actually feel an embossed part here on the size tag, or something that they can actually verify with the code. This sticker will tell you that this is a local release pair. Let's go ahead and take the shoes off of this box. Wanna see it? Here we go. Oh, sheesh. Sheesh. Oh, the smell. This is the pair. Yeah, I just hope the camera is able to focus on that Jordan, the small Jordan logo on the Achilles. Alright, so this is the pair, the 7210 low. Not sure why people are sleeping on this. This is a clean retro silhouette.